Welcome everyone to English 102. If you're watching and listening to this video, then you have found the course. Great job. I'm glad to see you've gotten started. This video is a quick orientation for how the course works. You'll also find pretty quickly you'll be watching a video about all the course technology, so I'm not going to cover them all here. However, let's just talk about how to get started with this course. This is the first page. This is what the course should look like when you get there. And the first thing that you want to do is click on the Getting Started link. It's right next to the Enter key. So click Getting Started. In here, you only have one deadline's worth of work. So if you see the deadline number 1 or D number 1, click on that link. And each deadline gives you a list of work to do. So here what you should see is read the syllabus. And the syllabus is over here on the left-hand side of the course under Course Tools. There's the syllabus. So let's click on the syllabus. When you get to the syllabus, it is a PDF document, so that means that you can print it or easily download it. You may want to print it. There's two parts of the syllabus that I specifically want to show to you. If you have Adobe Acrobat, which you need to read this, you should be able to click this little bookmark things, and it allows you to move through the syllabus easier. The two things I want to show you right now are, let's see, where is it? Grading policies. So in here in the syllabus, you have the grading policy that shows you the major assignment projects and what they're worth in terms of points. And I also want to show you the course schedule or calendar. This is very important. This gives you the deadlines for the dates for the deadlines for the work. So these are the dates that all the work is due in the course. It's very important that you print at least this page off, because these are the dates that you'll be working from the course. These dates are not listed anywhere else in the course. You can only find them here. Only one place that you refer back to, or like I say, I like to print it out. So there's your dates. Those dates are what would associate to deadline number 1. You saw that, and I'll show you where deadline number 2, deadline number 3, etc. are. So the syllabus, the grades, and the deadlines, but definitely take the time to read it all. So what you'll see, let's go back to the first page. Now, the course is organized as modules, and I'm going to click into Module 1. Each module has a major writing project, and then it has a bunch of deadlines, and under each deadline is a listing of all the work that you need to do for that deadline. So you know the deadline date based on those dates you found in the syllabus, and then you come in here to each deadline page, so there's deadline number 3, to find the listing of the work that you'll need to do for each deadline. As I mentioned, each major module has a writing project associated with it, and you'll find out when the drafts and peer reviews and final are due in these deadlines. But the actual assignment prompts here are WP number 1, writing project number 1. There's the assignment prompt, or it refers to pages in the book and then gives you the grading criteria. And let's quickly go back to the home page. You'll see module number 2 is very similar. It gives you the writing project prompt, more deadlines. Hopefully that is explanatory of how to work through the class. What I highly suggest is that you go in and you print each deadline page, and when you print it, then you write the due date at the top of the page, and then you can use it as a checklist and just check everything off as you finish it. Okay. I want to quickly show you where a bunch of help resources are. So again, we're back to the main page. First, down here, there's a resources and student support information. Click on there. It's organized in a bunch of subcategories. This first area is MCC support services. It includes technology support, the writing center, the library. These are all useful things for the page. But you also have writing resources, research resources, technology, some technology help. So that's definitely there. I also want to show, though, if you go back, and sorry, I have to go back a different way than you all. When you're in WebCT General here, there's two things that you need to look. Up in the upper right-hand corner, there's a Help button. So if you have trouble with WebCT, go there. And then also that Check Browser button right next to it. You probably want to do that at least the first time. If you've never done that, do that after you watch this video. And then if you notice over here on the right, there's campus bookmarks. There's distance learning tutorials. You might want to consider taking those if this is your first distance learning class. Technology support tutorials. Hopefully stuff to get you started. Hopefully this gives you a quick tour of the class, and I look forward to working with you this semester.